Hello friends, today we are going to a long awaited weekend camping. On the route we stopped for pausing little bit and happily reaching to our stay. This is our house. It is looking very comfortable and beautiful. Inside when we enter we were so happy to see that it looks just like a house. Everything is set for the small stay we were planning. Kitchen is very nice. You have a microwave, stove, induction stove.
Hello. Today I'm gonna tell about this house. We just came here for 3 days. It was very nice. We live in Farmco guest house. Let me show you this house. These are the gates. Everything is made out of bamboo here. Farmco guest house has many plants like flowers over there you can see, but it really has something like moon or something up over there.
Locking the door.
Now
Door locked. Very nice. Please tell us about this garden.
this garden has like flowers, bananas.
So this is beautiful garden. So many trees here. Can you tell me which trees are there?
Yeah, this is a coconut tree, and those are flowers and beautiful leaves.
Yeah, flowers. ठीक है. These are looking like banana trees.
Yeah.
Let's see if there are bananas there.
Yeah, I know. There are bananas.
Please show us.
This.
Oh, beautiful. It has a flower also.
There's one more.
Very big flower, and this flower also edible.
With flowers.
This coconut tree looks like flowering.
Yeah. And these are the pink and white flowers over here.
This is beautiful. And white also. Yeah, nice. Paftari.
These are the roses. We are going to the well. See? It's a well. And it has flowing water.
Really?
Yeah.
Very nice. Can you show us this water?
Yeah, it's
Oh, be careful.
that's fine.
Very beautiful.
That is the well.
Tell.
And this is our lal bhaji.
This lal bhaji have got many seeds. You can now plant them and replant.
I look after the garden.
Since when? Since yesterday?
Yes.
Nice.
Small leaf.
This is a young leaf.
There's a small mango tree. Come, I'll show you. Let's go. Plus, here's a small coconut tree. Don't step on it.
Yes, sure.
There. Enough big mango.
Oh, very nice.
And some jackfruit over there.
I think
Pineapple.
this is a snake skin we found yesterday. And this is a skin of king cobra. Now, Tanya, you told something about pineapple. Please show us.
Yeah, there are the pineapples.
Pineapples?
And there is the growing one tree.
Ah, they're hiding inside. Very nice. Then going further. Can you please show? Oh, what is this? It is looking like a tent.
Yeah, that's my tent.
Yes, nice. Please show us what is inside.
There's nothing there. It's just a blanket.
Okay.
How many potatoes?
Wow, so cozy.
Hi.
We are at Harmco guest house.
And it's so cool. We got such a big place.
It is looking very comfortable place.
Yeah, plus we found a snake.
Yeah,
Not a
because we found
live
a
one.
snake.
It's just Oh, hello. This guest house is cool. Yahoo!
Put close up of your chicken. Nicely looking. You might see what he's doing. When she comes, he's doing like this. Thank you. See.
Record why is recording so much close up of this cat. It is seen properly and what it is doing.
Эй, ой, Таня, забери свой кот.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. You're out there, at me, just my mind. Oh. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me alone.